Hi guys.
Hi, Jenny. Yeah. This is my boyfriend, Jenny.
Hello.
It looks like the girl I saw here the other day. That Carol was talking about.
Jenny, huh? Have you met with my boyfriend before?
No.
Really, no?
You don't know me?
I don't.
Really, no?
You don't know me?
I don't. Do you know me?
Are you not the same person I met here the day I came to look for Sisi?
Have you seen this face before?
Maybe.
I don't know you.
Jennifer,
Hi.
you mean you have never met with
I've never met with you. Have you seen me before? Look at me, my face. Have you seen this face before?
Maybe.
Yeah. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Excuse me.
This is the girl I met the other day. See, baby.
Yes, baby.
The truth is, as she's behaving this way, I'm not comfortable with it at all. How can this girl deny me so plain, like she never met me? I think I'll stop coming to this place.
No, baby, you can't do that. You can't go because of my friend. Then she has to go.
No.
No, baby.
Because I don't want to come between you.
No, baby, you are not happy. I know she's lying. So she has to go. I can keep
You know,
her.
I love you.
You know I love you more.
Don't want to lose you, baby.
Me too. Come here. Your friend, boyfriend, and you want forget that thing, Sisi. Don't lick your head.
I'm gonna shake the compound. What's happening? What's happening?
Ask your
Will you shut your mouth? Look at this ungrateful bastard that I picked from the gutter.
Sisi. Too much talk.
Carol,
Reduce her.
you know what the other day. You know that's what you tell me that. Say you see my man.
Yes.
Just let brats.
Your boyfriend.
Huh?
Will you shut up? I don't.
I beg.
Your boyfriend said true, Abby. Good.
This guy.
Can't it to your friend. You don't say that your friend. And they ask you, say you know the boy. You say yes.
Now you get done. Now you get. Now you get.
If I teach you, you
will
not get shit.
See, this your friend, now bad person.
Bad evil person. That should be.
Drag.
I'm not in my house.
Yes.
You see there. I beg, come on.
Leave me. I go cold.
I see. Bastard. Useless friend. Useless friend.
You say I'll collect your
You say I beg for your hair, your clothes. Somebody they feed you for this house. I see that you come to me. I do back. Oh, Carol, I am provoked. I am angry. And it vex. Carol, this girl too me. She don't know as I take trip before I see that cute guy. Then she want to collect from me. Ha! You don't go better for you, Jennifer.
This side is 200.
This festive period, I don't understand. Things are so costly.
Cost, it took cost, it takes cost. This period takes cost. We don't know as we will do this one. If Chanjari cost like this, how will rice go be?
19. Oh my God.
Mama, give us one now.
Yeah,
Customer.
250.
Oh, my daughter, let me consider you.
Thank you.
You are blessed.
Mama, put this on, How much is this salad? 250. It's good, though. It's good, Sisi.
Sisi, everything is good. Everything is good.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, my daughter. You are blessed.
This one. 200. That's not okay. You know your man, but this not 200. That's 200.
Madam, last week this one buy 100 naira. 100 naira. Sisi, it's 100 naira.
But I don't spoil the supermarket. Don't spoil the market. You see boy like this now, they all.
Not yet, now.
Don't spoil the market.
Can I have some for 200?
Fine one, customer. Select the one we never break. Yeah. She know they like waiting break, have you?
Yeah.
Fresh one.
Just because of Xmas people.
Cheese cost.
No.
Xmas come. Then you increase cheese. Cheese cost.
This is too much. right?
No, ma. It's 400.
Okay. Kara, I'm buying this because of you.
Yes, I like orange. Sisi. Thank you.
Okay.
Come on, peel and wear, make it fine. Right?
Yeah, ma.
Sisi, shey you see you go market today, you want to do over sabi say you want go market, you say Carol message, Carol buy to something there. You don't go market, you see how you see it? How do you feel now?
No, I feel so not feeling good at all.
Okay.
Again, everything is so high because it's Xmas period.
Yes, everything costs. Even fruit cost for market, everything cost.
No.
I tell you, say everything cost.
So it's a bad day for me.
Ah.
Yeah.
You don't tire now, Abi?
It's a bad day.
Okay, you believe Corona say things there?
Yeah, I believe you on this one.
Okay. On this one, only on this one?
Yeah, I believe you on this one.
Sisi.
Yeah.
Go relax now.
Yes, I need it. I need it. I need it.
Yeah, it's very nice. I'm very fresh.
That reminds me, baby, things are really cost these days. Like, you know, the other day I went to the market with this my neighbor Carol.
Oh, Carol, yeah.
Yes, as in, they were just, as in, the price was so high, so high. I don't know if it's because of this festive period. I don't just know.
Yeah, that's the way things are. This, every festive period like Christmas and in the market. Talk of rice, oil,
It's too
chicken
much
and
because
everything.
before I used to send Carol, please help me to buy this. I thought maybe she was cheating me,
No.
So I just like, let me say, okay, let me go myself and see for myself.
Even to the fuel price, I got fuel just now 170 per liter.
What?
I swear. So the whole thing is just somehow.
The government should do something about this.
They should. They should.
It's too much.
It's not funny.
It's
not funny. Thank you, dear.
Uncle Betty, good afternoon.
Carol.
Hey.
How are you?
Fine, though, fine.
What's up?
Things there, I hear when they talk, say things there. Sisi follow me go market, things, we don't fit buy anything. Sisi not they believe me, say I tell her, say things there, everything cost. Sisi, you not tell Uncle say things there?
I told him.
Things there. Sisi, now small thing we see buy you. Now well done, now they enjoy you.
Yeah, do you want some?
Yes, so I want some. Give me
Okay.
phone now.
Yeah, I think I still have some here. Yeah.
Thank you. You do well, thank you. Uncle Do, that things now, welcome. Christmas don't they come, those are things there now. You could say, Sisi will need things, all those rice, chicken. Open and go buy one for me for
Carol, what is it?
chicken now you uncle I dey talk to.
Can you go?
No. Uncle say you go buy chicken this Christmas for me now.
That's not the problem, Carol.
Uncle say you go buy
As
rice.
what? To buy chicken for you?
As your
I don't
friend
understand. Is he your boyfriend?
Now. No, Uncle not my friend though.
Your friend as in how? What connection do you have with my mind?
Your friend not my friend now.
No!
Baby, calm down. Is it not chicken?
Yes.
Baby, I'm that's
Sisi,
law will
calm
not
down.
stand.
You do the
No,
hash.
that law will not stand in this house. What's that? As caretaker or what? You want chicken from my man? Why? If you want anything, you should ask me. Don't ask my man anything.
But Uncle dey here, they ask you, come ask him. He dey here now.
Carol.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Uncle say he go buy chicken.
I've had you.
Chicken.
I'll get chicken.
You relax. This is she hash. You dey tell her say make she dey relax, make she dey calm down.
Okay.
Sisi dey calm down. Now Uncle I dey talk to not be you. I say ma come ask, ma no ask your ma ask you, and your ma dey here.
Yes.
You ask your ma direct.
Carol. Carol.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
You know see ask Sisi fine now. All those things where they buy for market, all these earring, clothes, all of them don't deal. So you quick start so that Sisi now will come they complain say you not get this one, not get this one. So
Hey,
it is
Carol, that is my duty to think about, not you. Okay?
Okay.
I will do whatever I want to do for my girl. I've heard you. You want chicken, I'll get you chicken.
Thank you, better person.
Are you done?
Yeah, I done.
Okay, go.
Thank you.
This is your caretaker.
This woman, as in sometimes she just gets on my nerves. She talks too much.
But she's your friend, you know.
Ah.
Can I have some, please?
Okay, maybe. Yeah.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Hey, baby, wait. I'm going to ask you for the very last time. Who is that guy that called you?
I don't have anything with this guy. It's just a friend.
How can you say you don't have anything with this guy when you don't pick his calls when I'm around? You always tell him to call you back? What for?
Because I don't want to talk to him there. That's the reason.
See, I'm old enough to know what I want. I don't know the kind of game you want to play with me, right? You are playing smart and I don't like it.
Baby, you don't trust me.
How can I trust you when you don't take calls? How can I trust you when you don't take calls in my presence?
I don't like this. I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing. What's all this?
Sisi.
What? You are the only man in my life.
See, good afternoon. I'm going to tell you this. When you're ready to tell me who that guy is, then you let me know. I'm out of here.
Hey!
No, don't beg
that?
me.
Who called you this, man?
Bros, wait now. Bros.
I said don't beg me.
Sisi, why now?
I don't know what is wrong with this guy. If not for the love I have for him, I would have dumped him long time ago.
See, not talk like that. Talk like that.
Because he's making me angry.
I go vex for
How
you.
can he say I'm cheating on him?
I go vex for you if you talk like that. You go dump him. Dump him for what? Dump him for what? Sisi.
I am not cheating on him. He's the only man in my life.
Why you know they received the call for your present?
Because I'm not comfortable to receive that call in his presence. I am not.
Go beg him.
I'm not.
Sisi, go beg him.
I am not begging him.
This one what you do so I not support you.
I am not begging anybody. I am not begging him.
Okay, not beg.
Whatever.